Wendy, how did you go at the Blooms Painting Workshop painting acrylics when usually you do watercolour? What's the difference?
Oh, a lot. You can make mistakes and fix them up with the acrylics, and I learnt so much. And actually, it taught me to be a little bit freer in my painting rather than trying to make it look like a photo.
And you showed me a beautiful sunflowers you did with watercolours, but that took months?
Yes, months.
And this one, you did 2 paintings in 5 days?
Yes.
So
I
that
love
could
how
be
quick it is. It's fantastic. So it's been fabulous. Thank you.
Oh, we've had a ball. We've had a ball with you, Wendy.
We have, and I have too. It's been really worthwhile. Some ups and downs, but you know, in your mental state. But you get there if you follow the process.
Take some medication. A glass of wine at night.
Yes.
So I think that, you know, you did something extraordinary you hadn't done before, painting 2 paintings in 5 days, so your self-belief has to take a stretch, doesn't it?
It certainly has.
Yeah.
And I realised, I walked out today and I came in and I saw the hydrangeas and I went, wow, that's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
So, because when you're up close, sometimes you can't actually see the painting in its entirety. You're just
And you had a break from
bits.
it. You had a break from it overnight, and then you saw it and you went, wow, actually it's pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah. Jack's right, it is good.
Yes, and the feedback is really constructive.
Great.
And positive. So it's not just that is fantastic, etc. It's tips on how to improve your painting and make it better.
Beautiful.
Just what you need.
Yeah.
With a bit of positivity thrown in about what you're doing right.
Yeah, we had a bit of fun with those bits of sense of humour between us all.
Yes.
And so you're doing bloomingly fabulously well, so thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.